Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching this video right now, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. It really does help out the channel a lot and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer for you guys that anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor, so cryptocurrencies are super volatile. Kindly do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, over the last 1.5 weeks, we have seen the market cap stay very stagnant around the $963.5 billion mark. We are down 1.8% in the last 24 hours, but overall in the last 1 week, we have not seen the BTC dominance fluctuate that much. Market cap is what I was referring to. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets, not much has been going on once again, but, we will take it one step at a time. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that has been absolutely killing it lately within the cryptocurrency markets, and that's none other than Terra Luna Classic. All right, so Luna Classic supporters, you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end. So right now, Terra Luna Classic is currently ranking at that top 32 spot with a market cap of $2.3 billion with the 24-hour trading volume of $1 billion. Current price is at that 0.0003 cents mark, down 0.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We are up at 0.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But now let's look at the bigger picture. What has been going on within the price? You guys can see in the last 30 days, it is up 36.4%. But most importantly, in the last 1 week, it's up 68.2%. So that's definitely something nice to see right now. But let's jump right into the price and see what exactly is going on with Terra Luna Classic, and is the next leg up loading? Could we see the next leg up this coming week? We will go all into that in this video. But before we jump into the price, I just want to show you guys this. This is a Twitter account. It's mainly based for a Luna community. They posted this. We now have Coinbase trending. Some amazing work, and let's make sure Coinbase knows all about the LUNC community and what they are missing out on. Luna Classic will be huge, and as soon as we will be listed, we keep on doing much noise. Let's like and retweet so that we see this. So, this is reminding me of that Shiba Inu mania that we saw just last year, where a lot of people were talking about Shiba Inu, being listed on Coinbase, listed on Robinhood. And, a lot of people were like, nah, that is absolutely absurd. We're not going to see these big exchanges list this project. But, community came together and made that happen. But one thing to keep in mind is that these big exchanges, they want to have that volume come onto their exchanges rather than it being on other exchanges. So that's why it's important for these exchanges to be listing it. And that's exactly why we did see Shiba Inu being listed last year around those times when there was a massive hype coming in. All these exchanges at the end of the day do run their own business, and they want people to come onto their exchanges rather than, other competitor exchanges. So that's why this is definitely a possibility. But, I just wanted to share this with you guys to see, because, I found this very, very funny that, we are starting to see that once again. And this does not, I'm not saying that this cannot happen. This is definitely a possibility. This is cryptocurrencies, guys, so let's keep that in mind. But now if we are looking at the price of Luna Classic, you guys can see Luna Classic is currently trading right below this resistance mark at that 0.00037 mark. And, this level of resistance has been playing as a major level of resistance since, the early beginnings. Not early beginnings, since, this entire Luna crash that has happened since the recovery mode. We have seen this level of resistance really play out. But, so far, so good, guys. Luna has been holding quite well right now. And it could be, getting ready for a new record for, the price itself. We have seen it go all the way up to that 0.006 cents mark on just September the 8th. But I do believe that if we do stay above this level of resistance in the next, maybe 24 hours. And if we close above here, that is going to be very, very nice to see. And I do believe that we are going to see Luna Classic really try to start heading back towards the upside and really get and kill it at zero. A lot of people are talking about this, is a Luna Classic going to kill at zero? That's definitely a possibility, and it's not out of the woods just yet. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, we are about 44.73% away from those September 8th highs that we did see. And is this going to be broken? Are we going to break this mark? Definitely is a possibility, because if you guys go look on Google Trends right now, Luna Classic has been trending. We have seen this massive uptick happening within the Google searches. You guys can see a lot of people are interested. A lot of people want to take part of this. There is a lot of FOMO building up right now. And one thing that I want to tell you guys is that, I'm very impressed as to how good Luna Classic has been holding over the past couple of months, despite the fact that the cryptocurrency markets is very, very, not looking too well right now. We are in a bearish market, as you guys can see. BTC right now is not looking too well right now. We're sitting at $19,000 once again. And you guys know, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, that this zone is very, very dangerous for Bitcoin, because if we break below the 78.6 level of support line, we could see BTC go back down to 15K, which is going to really shake down the markets. But despite that fact, we are seeing Luna Classic really hold quite well, and that is definitely something nice to see, and I'm very, very impressed by that. And I do believe that this rally is not over, but we do need to stay above this level of resistance, as I have just mentioned to you guys, for us to really start revisiting some newer all-time highs. But so far, so good, because if you guys were picking up some Luna Classic around here, guys, just back on September 25th, you are already up. Just let's say you bought some on September 25th, you're already up right now 80%. And let's not forget that we're in a bear market. 80% in a bear market, very, very insane gain. So we do need to keep that factor in mind. Also, one thing to show you guys is that, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently rising. What does this mean? More money is flowing into Bitcoin, because you guys can see BTC is looking very, very scary right now. As I have mentioned, a lot of uncertainty that Bitcoin could crash, and a lot of money is flowing from altcoins to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin does tend to hold better compared to altcoins. So that is not a surprise right now, but Luna Classic is doing quite well compared to BTC, and that's something definitely nice to point out. But I do believe that we could see this coming week to be very, very bullish for Luna Classic. We could see some new highs for this project, since this massive crash that we have seen. We could see it try to recoup that 0.0006 mark and try to even break and kill a 1-0 within its price. Definitely a possibility right now. That Binance burn is coming. That is creating a lot of hype, but we will see what happens. I will keep you guys updated. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Luna Classic go at the end of October. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.